Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can travel to the Federated States of Micronesia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this embassy of Federated States of Micronesia, okay, in USA. Now they have given clear information that no visa is required to travel to Micronesia. You just need valid passport, sufficient funds, and proof of onward travel to grant entry for 30 days, up to 30 days. If you are a US citizen, just passport is required and other requirements are also not mandatory. However, there's a catch. How you are going to reach Micronesia? So you, from US, if you are going to take a flight from US, that means either you should have permit to enter US or transit visa to US. Okay. Similarly, if you're going through other countries, okay, like what and like Japan, same thing. Like you should have either transit permit permission from Japan, or if you have any Japanese visa, then you can. So that is the more important thing. So for up to 30 days, there is nothing you need to worry about. But what about if you want to stay for more than 30 days? So that's what I'm going to show you. So for that, you need to apply for an entry permit. Okay. So this is for more than 30 days. You need to provide your information, your family information. If you have applied before, you need to provide the information. Purpose of entry, where you're going to visit, how long you're going to visit, expected date of entry and exit. And you need to passport, attach your passport copy, one passport size photograph, police clearance, medical clear, notarized affidavit of support, and requirements of immigration if applicable. Okay. So this is how you can submit, and if granted, you can stay for more than 30 days. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.